We have the awesome oscillator and the Keltner channel strategy on the Quotex platform. I will show you the settings for the Keltner channel. Set the EMA period to 20, the ATR period to 10, and with a multiplier of 3. Next, attach our primary indicator, the awesome oscillator, with a short period of 7, a long period of 50, and an opacity of 100%. These settings will help us succeed with our trading method. Make sure to use a 5-second candle time frame and set the duration to 30 seconds. I will show you how to trade using these two combined indicators. Take a look at this. Our awesome oscillator got red candle bars going down. Our trend bar here is at the middle of our Keltner channel and is going down. Let's trade for it going down, since our trend is at the middle, and don't trade if the candle bars are at the uppermost or lowermost Keltner bands. We got winning trade on that. Let's trade with another pair and wait for the best momentum to trade. A good trading situation here, with its smoothing middle spot of our awesome oscillator. With our trend situation here is going downtrend. Our trend here is at the middle of our Keltner channel and it has high chance for the trend to go down for the next 30 seconds. Let's go trade for it going down. Subscribe with us to get more free trading strategies with Quotex and other trading brokers. Got our winning trade on that. Take a look at this. Our awesome oscillator has got good reputation going down, and our trend here already touched the middle Keltner channel. Let's trade going down on it. Got a winning trade on that. See the rest of the video on how to trade with these trading settings in Quotex and apply this on your trading method. Another good trading spot here, it got consecutive uptrend bars, with our Keltner channel is at the middle. Let's trade going up on this. We got lose on that. Not all the times that we will win with the method, but it gives more than 70% chance of winnings. We already got achieved positive trading outcomes with our previous trades.